How to add items to your wish list on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To add the items on your wish list on Amazon, firstly launch your preferred browser and search for amazon.com, or if you have got yourself the Amazon shopping app, go ahead and launch it. So the first step is to log into your Amazon account. Once you have logged in, next step is to browse for the item that you want to add in the wish list. From here, you can just select on a product. Now over here at the bottom of the product display, you will see the heart icon. You actually need to go ahead and tap on the heart icon. By this way, it will be added to your wish list or the shopping list, which is the term for wish list for Amazon. You can easily go ahead and purchase the product after a while, and you can easily check this out in your shopping list. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.